Welcome to Income Booster, your go-to destination for innovative and practical ideas on boosting your income online. In the fast-paced digital landscape, we understand the importance of exploring diverse avenues to enhance your financial well-being. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone looking to supplement your income, our channel is designed to inspire and guide you through a wealth of strategies, tips, and creative solutions. Join us on a journey of empowerment as we share proven methods, cutting-edge trends, and actionable insights to help you unlock the full potential of earning online. Subscribe now and embark on the path to financial freedom with Income Booster. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. Let's uncover the top 5 facts that make this marketing strategy a game changer. Fact 1. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their site. Imagine it as a win-win partnership. Affiliates earn commissions for each customer they bring, while businesses get increased sales without upfront costs. It's all about collaboration. Fact 2. The process is simple. Affiliates promote products, and when a customer clicks the affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This unique model motivates affiliates to drive quality traffic and helps businesses expand their reach exponentially. Fact 3. Affiliate marketing isn't limited to one channel. Affiliates can leverage blogs, social media, emails, and more to reach their audience. This versatility allows for a dynamic and targeted approach, ensuring a broader audience is reached through different touchpoints. Fact 4. Precise tracking is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Advanced analytics help businesses understand what works and optimize their strategies. This data-driven approach allows for continuous improvement, ensuring both affiliates and businesses maximize their success. Affiliate marketing knows no borders. Affiliates can tap into a global audience, and once the groundwork is laid, it can generate passive income over time. Imagine earning while you sleep. That's the magic of affiliate marketing, a scalable and sustainable income stream. And there you have it, the top 5 facts about affiliate marketing. Whether you're a business looking to expand or an individual ready to earn, affiliate marketing could be your key to success. If you want to learn affiliate marketing through Facebook, a full magnetic Facebook marketing course with a unique strategy is available on our channel. What are you waiting for? Do watch it and earn thousands of dollars per day. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.